Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn work experience next poem, Water Our Life. And depending on water, there is one moral story also there. A conversation of students and teacher is also there. In that conversation, we learn how to reuse water and what are the importance of water, how to use water. These things we have to learn from this poem and next small conversation. So, see the first poem. It is very important to save our water. So, listen carefully, all sons and daughters. It means not only our class sons and daughters or not only our school sons and daughters, but whole world sons and daughters. It is very important to save our water. Water is more important for us. Without water, we can't live. So everyone save the water. We need our water for keeping ourselves clean and for saving the animals and keeping our trees and plants green. In the second stanza, we know about how water is useful to us. That means water always keeps us clean, means for bathing, cleaning vessels like that, and for growing plants. If we watering the plants, then only plants become green, otherwise it will be dry. And animals also need water for to drink. Without water no one can live. So water is very important for us. In first two stanza, they tell us that save water because we need water for each and everything and for to live also. So when brushing your teeth and washing your hands, think of all the thirsty children in the poorer lands. Whoever living in poorer lands means in a slummy area where water is no water is there, or they need more water but they get very less water. Think about that people when you are brushing your teeth and washing your hands. Means at the time of brushing your teeth and washing your hands, don't waste water. Whenever you need water, that time only your tap should be on, otherwise it should be off. Don't flush the toilet unless you have gone to the loo. Leave the water you don't drink in the fridge. It will be nice and won't be wasted too. It means whenever you will go in toilet, don't flush without necessary. Whenever there is necessary, don't only flush the water. And don't waste water always. Take a short shower instead of a bath and tell your daddy while watering the flowers not to water the path. That means whenever you are taking bath, don't take more water for bathing, but you can take short shower, little shower, because uh, whenever we take shower, no, that time we will waste very less water, and for bathing we need more water. So always take a short shower and tell to your father also that whenever you are watering your flowers, don't water the petal but only water only flowers or trees. So try and think of ways to save our water, and you soon be a good boy or give for caring just like me. So think about it. Think about the use of water, importance of water, and whenever you will think about that, then only you will recognize how water is important for us. So save the water and save the trees also. Then only whenever you become understand your responsibilities towards water, then only you become a good boy of the country or a good boy of the earth. So you are like me, so think about it. You also, all children have to think about that. This is the moral we can learn or we can take from this poem. Thank you, children.